Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E6S, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in voice recorder. Now you need to install this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, select open. Now select the best option for you and click on continue. Then select allow in the pop-ups. Choose yes I agree and tap on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it or unpause it using the same one. If you wish to add a bookmark, you need to unpause it and click on this left icon. Now type in wherever you wish to, if you wish to, and click on OK. You can also discard your recording right away by tapping on Stop button and choosing Discard. After that, confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to end it and save it though, click on the check mark. Then choose Save at the top right corner. Now, in order to rename your recording, click on those three dots on it. Select Rename option, type in wherever you wish to, and click on OK. If you want to play it, just click on it. If you wish to get rid of it though, you need to hold it. Tap on this bin icon at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!